Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today, me and Noelle from Noelle Concetta's YouTube channel are going to be unboxing my Ipsy PR box for July of 2022. Very excited because, well, it's Ipsy and because I have Noelle here with me, who is my BFF. So I'm very excited. She came all the way out here from good old Massachusetts just to film this one video with me. Just kidding. She came out here because she loves me so much.
That's true.
So true.
But it's also fun to film with you, so I'm not going to come here and not film.
Duh.
It's like a wasted opportunity.
Exactly. Yeah, so if you know Noelle, that's amazing. If you
up?
don't know Noelle, what you doing? Go subscribe to her channel. I'll have it linked below.
Oh my god, only if like you want to.
You want to. So anyways, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe.
We did not
means
plan
so
that.
much. I know, that was cool. And in my analytics, I've noticed that over half of my viewers are not subscribed. So if you're already watching this video, just hit the subscribe button. It would literally melt my heart.
Mine too.
Thank you. I love you guys so much. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so usually I open the box and organize everything, but I just didn't do it because we've been hot as balls. So
it's very hot in this room.
So here we go. Let me just tell you, this is the theme, July 2022. Soak it all in is the theme. The sun, the shimmer, the SPF. This month, savor every moment, whether it's an impromptu pool zip or self-care spa day, and leave those to-dos till tomorrow. That's irresponsible, Ipsy. How I don't even understand you right now. So let's go ahead and look at this first product that will be coming in this bag. You might get this. This is the bag for the plus.
Looks like an ocean.
This is from Wing Me. This is Ambitious Violet. Do you like to do the honors and show them the palette?
I would love to. Okay, this is what she looks like. This is the bag. This is just like a little sleeve that it comes in. Oh, okay, so the palette is different than the outer packaging. It looks like it kind of just sparkles. And, ooh, this is the color story. Definitely purples, but like very neutral at the same time.
Yeah, with like that
kind
light
of curious
pink.
of the Ambitious Violet, but then it's like two purple shades.
It's ambitious to be a violet palette, but it's not quite there yet.
That's a good one.
But it's still like a nice neutral with like some purple tones.
Looks like, and 4 mattes, 4 shimmers.
And even though we're in July, that's going to be a good transitional palette into the fall.
True. True.
Back in here. And then, oh, wait, is this the same brand?
No.
Oh, this is from Vamegas, and it says, hola. This is rose infused lip oil.
I feel like lip oils are all the rage nowadays.
Yeah. Oh, so we have a red and we have an orange lip oil.
Should we try each one on?
You can. You don't have lipstick on.
Oh, that's true. Well, this red one looks really pigmented. Let me swatch them, and then we'll see if I can put one on. Because I just had a bright-ass liquid lipstick on, and it stained my lips. Ooh, oh, that's really pretty.
That is pretty.
That is pigmented. That's the red one. Do they have a smell? Zero smell, which I feel like is weird for lip oil, but okay. This is the shade Valentina, and this is Sophia. Oh, I like those names. No smell.
Oh, just a really cute peachy color. It
Yeah.
looked like it was going to be really
clear,
orange.
kind of on me, but it's just my skin tone. Here, I'll put some of this one on because I don't have lipstick on. Ooh. She's shiny.
Does it feel like lip balm?
It doesn't feel like the kind of lip oils that would just like slip off immediately, which is nice. Like it's a little bit thicker. So I like that. But it doesn't feel like super nourishing.
All right, she is spoken.
If that makes sense. Like, it doesn't feel like as nourishing as a lip balm, but it feels, it's like in between a slippery lip oil and a lip gloss, in my opinion.
Cool. She knows her stuff, you guys, because she's a makeup artist. She does people's makeup for weddings, so book her.
If if you're in the Massachusetts area, not Tennessee.
Not Tennessee.
Unless you want to fly me down here, which
Costs money.
That'd be cool, but you're paying for that. Okay.
Next up from Murad, we have Oil and Pore Control Mattifier, Broad Spectrum SPF 45, 10 hours of oil, shine, and pore control. So this is a Moisturize and Protect. So this is basically like a sunscreen. This is a sunscreen.
Murad's a good brand too. It's nice to see that in Ipsy.
I think that I'm going to give this a lot of use because of the fact that I'm in the sun all the time, considering I'm tan for the first time in my life.
Literally.
Because hashtag farm girl, so yeah.
No, this is a good product. Oh, and it has acne control. Not that you need to worry about that, but...
Well, I mean, like, because I'm sweating and I wear hats a lot outside, I have lots of, like, pimples, but they're not, like, pimples.
It's, like, texture.
Like heat rash or something. I don't know. Next up, from Volution, Screen Time Hydra Mist. Oh, that's right. This wasn't a spoiler. It's like blue light protection or something. Oh. And I said if anybody has any opinions about blue light, whether it's a thing or not, somebody commented and said that I think it was dermatologist or doctor or something, said that it was not an actual thing. So...
Oh, what, blue light protection?
Mm-hmm. So I believe it. So that's what this is. Screen Time Hydra Mist. So
I feel like that's so gimmicky. Like, they just realize a lot of people are on their computers all day and, like, working from home, and all of a sudden all these, like, blue screen blocker makeup products came out. Like, why?
I mean,
feel like they
the
can't really
sunglass things, the
blue light glasses for sure.
Yeah, that's a thing.
But I feel like you can't really... I mean, I'm not a doctor or a dermatologist, but I don't know. I've always found it to be, like, gimmicky.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Okay. So last for the plus is from Item Beauty. This is the Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer. This is the one that I was really confused on. I think it is like legit just a primer, even though it has like the 2 colors, which I thought was just a colored mascara, but apparently it's only like a primer, I guess. So it's like this lilac side, which is supposed to be volumizing. And then this blue side is supposed to be lengthening. But the thing is I don't like putting on layer and layer of mascara. At least I didn't used to. I wear lashes now. But, I mean, I'll try this. I don't know how it would work if you just use it as a colored mascara. Or if it, like, changes to white once it dries, like most primers are.
Right. Also, like, because it's colored, like, would the black go over it well, or would you have, like, a tint still, I wonder?
Yeah. I don't know.
This is Addison Rae's brand, right?
Yeah, which is made by Ipsy.
Made in Italy.
Italy.
Italia.
She's Italian. She talks like this. Here is the other bag. Super cute, very beachy, with a little starfish. It says Ipsy. I need to hurry up and film this because my camera battery is going to die. And once it gets to 2 bars, it ain't long.
Oh, no.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So, first off, we have... Oh, this is a good mascara.
Nice.
Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. I've had this before. It's actually a really, really good mascara.
I've never tried it, and I've always heard, like, such good hype about it.
This, I actually recently, like, was using, like, I guess in the fall time. So I'm actually really happy to have more of this because mine started drying out. So I love that. That's a good mascara. Then we have here from Smashbox the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer, which is like an OG.
Yeah, that's a cult fave.
Oh, our #1 product. So it makes sense. So we have a little guy of this right here.
We're both like, huh?
Next.
I love this brand.
Oh, okay.
I love that stuff.
Goldfaden MD, you guys.
This is the
Vital
Vitamin
Boost.
So good.
Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer.
I love this, and it's so expensive. I used all mine, and I didn't.
And now she has more. Because I'm not going to use it.
I didn't repurchase it just because it was so expensive, and I have other ones, but... Oh my god, thank you. This is really good, though. If you get this... Let Connor know in the comments how much you like it. I really saw an improvement with my skin with this. Thank you so much.
This next one is an eyeliner from Prestige. waterproof automatic eyeliner, which thank God is automatic. And this is in the shade smoky green.
Ooh, that's kind of fun.
That would be cute for fall looks.
That would be cute.
My mustache is still sweating. Thank you.
Sorry. Here you go. Here you go.
Green.
Let me see. Oh, it's pretty. It's very. It's still dark. It's like a tint of green.
Matching tattoos that we got last year.
I just got more while I'm here, but love that. Do you think of me every time you see your little flame?
I think of you
All the time.
Lastly, one of my favorite brands, Kinship. This is Brightening Eye Cream, and I've heard nothing but good things about it. Oh my gosh, we have half of a sample of this, but I'm sure it's going to be good, and I want to smell it. I wonder if it smells.
Eye creams are expensive too, so I feel like the samples are always so tiny.
Yeah, I bet this is going to smell really good though. So, let's just... Actually, there's not a scent, so yeah. Anyways, that is everything that I got in these 2 bags this month. Let me know what you got down below and all of that jazz. Thank you, Noelle, for being here and filming with me.
Thanks for having me.
Yes.
This is fun. I feel like I get like the inside scoop in your unboxing. Okay.
I know, especially because... Actually, never mind, I'm not going to say that. So anyways, yes, okay. Thank you so much, and goodbye.